If you're planning to switch carriers but want to keep your current Cricket number, you'll need something called a Cricket transfer pin. It's a short code that authorizes your number to be moved to a different provider, like Verizon, T-Mobile, or Mint Mobile. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your Cricket transfer pin using your phone, the My Cricket app, or even online. It's fast, easy, and only takes a few minutes. What is a Cricket transfer pin? The Cricket transfer pin is a security code that protects your number from unauthorized transfers. Without it, your new carrier won't be able to complete the switch. It's a simple way to confirm that you're the one requesting the transfer. How to get Cricket transfer pin. Method 1. Dial port. Just dial TON port, that's *7678, and your pin will be sent via text. You can also call 1-800-CRICKET 274-2538 to request it, but make sure you have your account pin ready. Note: this method might not work if you're roaming on another network. Method 2. Using the My Cricket app. Step 1. Open the app and sign in. Step 2. Tap the gear icon on the home screen to access account info. Step 3. Underline settings. Select the number you want to transfer. Step 4. Tap Get My Number Transfer Pin. Your pin will pop up on the screen. Method 3. Get your pin online. Just head to the Cricket Wireless website, log into your account, and navigate to your account settings. From there, you'll see the option to generate your number transfer pin. How long is the pin valid? Once you generate it, your Cricket transfer pin is valid for 5 days. If you don't use it within that time, no problem. You can just request a new one by repeating the same steps. Things to keep in mind. Before you make this switch, a few quick tips. Don't cancel your Cricket service before starting the transfer. Your number needs to be active to port it out. And if you're trading in your phone, be sure to get your Cricket transfer pin before signing up with your new carrier. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. And that's it. Now you know how to get your Cricket transfer pin, whether you use your phone, the app, or the website. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and check the description for a full step-by-step guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech how-tos and carrier tips.